This is a quick review for this Viribus Adult Tricycle. Now, we just bought this as a gift for my dad and put it together. We haven't even given it to him yet. He's in his 70s, so I'm excited to do that. But overall, I've been pretty impressed with it. So let me tell you about some of the features as well as putting it together. First off, to the quality of it. It is good, solid metal. Everything went together nice and smooth. I'll show you the instructions in a second. But it also came with the Shimano gear selector, which is good quality. And overall, this thing has been great as far as, you know, the quality of it, how well it's welded together, and how smooth things went together. Now for the assembly, it came with some tools already, which I was really impressed with that. These are the tools that came with it. I didn't, you know, these aren't mine at all. And as well as the instruction booklet, move this out of the way. The instruction booklet is very well detailed, goes through every step. Now it took a while to put it together, probably, you know, it took a couple of hours because this comes in a pretty small box. I'll post a video of putting it together. I'll post a time lapse of it. But in reality, it wasn't that bad, just time consuming. It wasn't overly complicated. Now, some of the cool features I didn't expect. My favorite thing is this basket here on the back. It actually all comes off completely. So if you pull up this lever down here, the basket will detach itself. You can take it off the bike, and if that's not cool enough, it has this little handy lever there, or handle there, so you can pull this around. So if you go to the grocery store or something like that, you can drag it around the store. And then the basket on the front as well, kind of similar. This bag that's inside of it, this slides out, and then you can take this bag inside the store, whatever you're doing. And then this also folds into itself, so if you have some books or something you want to put on here, you can store stuff on there pretty easily. So riding it, it was very smooth. We've ridden around the block a couple of times. We've had some fun with it. And then probably best of all, you got to have this on a cool bike, and that is the bell. So overall, guys, I'm really impressed with this. Very happy with it and really excited to give it to my dad.